Welcome to our YouTube channel One Job Discovery. Today topic is GK. Question number 1. Who can declare a financial emergency in the country? Option A. Finance Minister of India. B. President of India. C. Lok Sabha Speaker. D. Chief Justice of Supreme Court. Option B is the correct answer. President of India can declare a financial emergency in the country. Question number 2. Which part of the Indian Constitution has emergency provisions? Option A 18, B 16, C 17, D 15. Option A is the correct answer. 17 part of the Indian Constitution has emergency provisions. Question number 3. Constitution has provisions for a financial emergency. Option A. Article 352. B. Article 356. C. Article 360. D. None of the above. Option number C is the correct answer. Article 360. Constitution has provisions for a financial emergency. Question number 4. When was the national emergency first declared in India? Option A 1965, B 1991, C 1975, D never. Option D is the correct answer. Never was the national emergency first declared in India. Question number 5. Which of the following statements is not correct in relation to the financial emergency? Option A. The declaration of financial requires the approval of both houses of parliament. B. The resolution approving the declaration of financial emergency should be passed by a special majority by either house of parliament. C. Once approved by both houses of parliament, the financial emergency continues indefinitely until it is revoked by the president. D. The declaration of financial emergency can be cancelled by the president of any time. Such a proclamation does not require parliamentary approval. Option B is the correct answer. The resolution approving the declaration of financial emergency should be passed by a special majority by either house of parliament. Of the following statements is not correct in relation to the financial emergency. Question number 6. Under which circumstances can a financial emergency be declared? Number 1. At the time of financial stability in the country. Number 2. In case of threats to India's financial stability or any part of its territory. Option A only 1, B only 2, C in case of both 1, 2, D 1, 2 not both. Option C is the correct answer. Question number 7. Which of the following is not correctly matched? Option A Article 352 National Emergency. B Article 368 Constitution Amendment. C Article 356 Emergency in the State President Rule. D Article 358 Financial Emergency in the country. Option D is the correct answer. Article 358 financial emergency in the country. Of the following is not correctly matched. Thanks for watching this video. If you really like it, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon and share with your friends. Thanks a lot.